Imagine running a YouTube channel without filming, without editing for hours, and without burning out. Sounds fake? Thousands of creators are already doing this using AI. Today, I'll show you the exact AI tools and the step-by-step system they use to automate YouTube. Welcome to AIVerse Labs. In this video, you'll learn the exact AI tool stack for finding viral ideas, writing scripts fast, creating voiceovers, editing videos, designing thumbnails. Let's build your automation system. Step 1. Find viral ideas. Start with trends and demand. Use Google Trends to see what people are searching, VidIQ for keyword scores and video ideas, TubeBuddy for topic validation. You're not guessing. You're creating what people already want. That's the foundation of automation. Step 2. Script in minutes. Now turn ideas into scripts with OpenAI tools like ChatGPT. Give it topic, target audience, video length. It generates hooks, story flow, retention points, CTA. What used to take an hour now takes 5 minutes. Step 3. Realistic voiceovers. No mic? No problem. Use ElevenLabs. Paste your script, choose a natural voice, download studio quality narration. This is how faceless channels sound professional. Step 4. AI video editing. Now, assemble the video using InVideo for templates and stock visuals, CapCut for auto captions and silence removal. AI helps you match visuals to script, add captions, speed up editing. No advanced skills needed. Step 5. Thumbnails that get clicks. Design thumbnails with Canva. Use AI image prompts, bold text, and high contrast. Remember, thumbnails get the click, not the video. The system recap. Your AI automation stack. Ideas to Google Trends, VidIQ, TubeBuddy, scripts to OpenAI tools, voice to ElevenLabs, video to InVideo/CapCut, thumbnail to Canva. One person, one laptop, full channel. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to AIVerse Labs. Comment, automate, and I'll make a full tutorial showing this workflow in action. AI is not the future of YouTube. It's the present.